Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Log In. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to reset your password for your HDFC bank account. If you've forgotten your password during the login in process and you don't know what to do next, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's proceed further. Start by opening up a web browser. In the address field at the top, type in www.hdfcbank.com and search. You'll end up in the official website of HDFC Bank, which looks like this. In order to log into your account, go ahead and click on the login button in the upper right hand corner, which will open up a pop-up menu. Choose the area from where you'd like to log into your account by selecting one of the options displayed on the screen. I've chosen the net banking option. Click login in order to end up in the login area. Once you do that, click on continue to the new login page for net banking link over here in the middle of the screen. Once you click on that, a new tab will open up. Go ahead and enter your customer ID number or your user ID in the first text box that appears on the screen. In case you don't remember your customer ID, you can also look for your customer ID by clicking on this Forgot Customer ID link right beneath the box and follow the instructions. After typing in the detail, click Continue. A password or PIN number text box will appear in the display. If you happen to remember the password during the process, you can type it into the box. But if you don't remember your password, no matter how much you try, click on this link right here that says Forgot password / ipin. Now enter your user ID or your customer ID one more time in the box on the next page and click on Go. Soon after you do that, you'll need to select one of the mediums for authentication to regenerate your ipin or your password. Now select one of the options that are displayed on the screen. Choose the one that you'd like to continue with. I've chosen this second option where you'll receive one-time password sent on your mobile number and email address. Now, after you're done selecting, go ahead and type in the security text that is displayed on the box. After you're done, click Continue. Once you do that, on the next page, simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to reset your password to your new one for your HDFC bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.